Between Kehinde Bankole and Bimbo Ademoye, who do you think is the best? You are welcome to my show, Jeff Owolewa TV. Between Kehinde Bankole and Bimbo Ademoye, who do you think is the best actress between the both of them? Because to me, both of them are fantastic, talented actresses. Because two of them are actually some of our most creative, talented actresses we have in Nollywood. But let us dive right into Kehinde Bankole's resume. So these are some of the movies from Kehinde Bankole's resume. How many of you remember Funmilayo Ransom Kuti? Oh my God, Funmilayo Ransom Kuti, that movie, Funmilayo Ransom Kuti, that movie, top notch. Look at the way she acted in that film. It got to a point we actually thought we were watching the real, Funmilayo Ransom Kuti, Fela Anikulapo Kuti's late mother. I am telling you, fantastic delivery. Number two, Adire. Do you remember Adire? Me, when Adire came out, I was one of the first people that watched Adire. I'm telling you, because I was actually waiting for that movie. Soon as the thing dropped like this, bah! Kehinde Bankole actually carried the Adire on her back. And guess what? That movie got her the best actress in a leading role, the MVCA, that year. Now, another one I will give you is this Step Up. Yeah, the Step Up. Then another one I will give you is Super Story. We all know, as in right from the days of Super Stories, that was when we started noticing Kehinde Bankole, because she became very big, after she did Super Story that year. Then another fantastic movie in her resume will be October 1 by that movie by Kunle Afolayan. That movie got her first AMVCA award. Another one I will bring to your to your attention is this one that is sizzling hot and is showing on Netflix now. The Party. This movie. I saw this movie a few hours ago and I was like, you need to see the way Kehinde Bankole was acting in that movie. Sometimes me personally, I will put Kehinde Bankole side by side with Tara P. Ensign, that American actress that played that lead role in Baby Boy. Yes, Tara P. Ensign. Yes, because her brilliance when it comes to delivering roles is top notch. Now, another thing I want to tell you about Kehinde Bankole is she's got 2 AMVCA 2015 Best Actress in a Drama. Yes, I'm very, very. That was her first major award, AMVCA Best Actress in a Drama from the movie October 1. That movie by Kunle Afolayan, I said it the other time. So the second major award she got from the AMVCA is from Adire, the Best Actress in a Leading Role. Adire, that competition, that category was so tough. When she won that award, everybody was clapping because she truly deserved it. But some people were actually saying they thought she was going to win the Best Actress, from her role in Funmilayo Ransom Kuti. So another thing about Kehinde Bankole is Kehinde Bankole, her ability to portray different characters and bring stories to life is top notch. Oh my God. Then another thing is her voice, her speech delivery, her speech modulations. Anytime she's delivering it, you will see different modulations. She understands the rudiment of acting to the latter. Do you get? She does not joke around. That is why till tomorrow, ever since she has been reigning, she's still very hot now. I am telling you, sometimes when I watch her movies, you will feel like you're actually watching her through her real life because of the way she always portrayed different characters. You understand? So another thing about her is her body language. The movement. If you check what she did in Blood Sisters, when she acted that role with Gabriel Afolayan, when she played Gabriel Afolayan's wife in that film, she acted with her entire body. Like the romance scene between Kehinde Bankole's character in that film and Gabriela Folayan in that film, Blood Sisters. Come on now. Oh, acting pa. She acted with every part of her body. Even if you watch Adire, there are some scenes in Adire that you will watch, you will feel like she always go to the extreme to portray all her characters. She does not cut corners. If that character, you know, was to kiss, she will kiss. If that character, you know, requires her to romantically, you get involved with the other person on that set, she will do it. She does not cut corners. She does not, you understand? She will kiss. She will do everything. That is one of those things I respect about her, because movie is a make-believe. You cannot say you are acting a movie and they want to kiss you and you are now doing, you know, romantically you are not giving. You understand? So another thing about her is her facial expressions. When it comes to facial expressions, Kehinde Bankole has got, you know, a wide range of facial expressions in a movie. Anytime she's already into a character, she don't go into the character fully with that. I am telling you. Another thing I want to highlight about Kehinde Bankole is script analysis ability. You know, there is a way that she will. Another thing that is very, very pertinent in this analysis is the way Kehinde Bankole will use her angles. She understands, you know, angles. She understands the perimeter. Anytime she's on set, she works with the light, the DOP. She, you know, give it to her. Kehinde Bankole, one of the best actresses we have in the game. She does not do Kehinde Bankole. Yeah, she will give it to you 100%. 100%. So that is that for now about Kehinde Bankole. Now, let us dive right into Bimbo Ademoye's profile. She's one of the most creative actresses we have in Nollywood, Bimbo Ademoye. Now, let me give you some of the movies from her profile. We all know Anikulapo. Oh my God, what Bimbo Ademoye did in Anikulapo, words cannot describe it. That character, because me, I've known Bimbo Ademoye from all those, you know, YouTube movies. But when I saw that Anikulapo brought her from one stage to another in the industry. I am telling you, because her performance in that movie, she and Kunle, the chemistry between, that's one thing I love about Bimbo Ademoye. She's always having this chemistry with whatever, you know, actor they bring for her. You will see that chemistry flowing naturally. You get it. Look at what she and Kunle did in Anikulapo. Oh my God. Then if you watch Anikulapo very well, the way she acted with Ogogo, then that scene that she poured that substance from that ado, that scene that oh more, that movie, fantastic performance from Bimbo Ademoye. Another one would be Gangs of Lagos. Dope. Another one would be Jagun Jagun. Look at what she did in Jagun Jagun with Itele. Oh my God. Another one, Battle on Buka Street. Hey, that one with Funka Kendele. Then Anyela. Fantastic delivery. Then Breaded Life. Now, let me take a pill and chill on this Breaded Life. Did you see what she did with Timini on that Breaded Life project? Oh my God. You know, a bread vendor. She played that character perfectly. It was as if, you know, all those bread vendors that used to have this funny accent from Benin Report, from Cotonou, from Egun. She played that character 100%. So another one I want to highlight in this video is a Sugar Rush. Yes, so when we say actors cannot joke with facial expression, you cannot joke with it. You need to understand when to stop. You need to understand when to blink your eyes. You need to understand when to make your face. You need to understand when to laugh. You need to understand when to frown. That is range. As a very good actress, you need to possess a wide range of facial expressions. Yeah, This is exactly where I'm trying to go with this analysis. Another fantastic performance from Bimbo Ademoye will be Fame and Fury. Hey, oh my God, what she did in that film with Team F Young and Ozo. Oh my God, Bimbo Ademoye, a natural gut instinct, you know, always bring out the best in her. I am telling you. Then Bimbo Ademoye, yeah, if you check, there are some qualities about Bimbo Ademoye that words cannot describe. She always, you know, she always portray characters, different characters, calmly, naturally, without effortlessly. She always brings stories to life. One of the most, you know, deeply crafted, talented actresses we have in the game. Bimbo Ademoye, 100%. Guys, meet me up in the comment section. Let me know your own choice. To me, both of them are fantastically great actresses. But let me know your own opinion in the comment section. I will be waiting for you. Jeff Owolewa is my name. I will see you on the other side. And please, if you know, say you never subscribe to my channel, I take God beg you, subscribe to my channel and smash that notification button and drop that comment. God bless you. Hala.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the notification button.